It's about, the incoming immigration that the country has, the enforcement, the borders, the protections.
And those employers get into that as well.
They do, because employers, especially farmers who have migrant workers, they need to make sure that those workers have the proper paperwork to work. And they could get in trouble if they do not.
Okay.
Then we have the folks that are in the country, the 11 million immigrants who need to figure out and fix their statuses and how we're going to do that and process, the road to citizenship.
What's the third one you're talking about?
It's the future flow. People who want to come to this country, anywhere from the professionals to non-professionals, and how they would come into the country, how would they qualify, would they be able to bring their family members, or is it only just going to be the individuals, and what could be the future for bringing family members? And that gets into the topic that Stuart's an expert at, which is, elder folks and their health, and whether or not they would tax our system or they wouldn't tax our system.
It's a complicated mess, especially in a time of divided government.
Because if you don't take care of all of the aspects and you nitpick, it's just patches that then could easily create loopholes or create problems and create bars without meaning to. And then you have the Republican Party who wants that. They want to do, let's take care of the dreamers, let's take care of this portion. And some of the concern for some of us is that if we do that, if we go through and we just pick very specific issues, are we waiting until the environment changes or, the elections have passed and you've bought yourself some time to ignore certain issues that are, not your party's, agenda, or they don't even want to allow to deal with those issues? That's a conflict, a civil war that's going on within the Republican Party.
That's correct.